here's the exact system that could literally get you to 10k, 20k, 30k, even 50k per month with your Smma without sending any cold DMs, cold call, or cold email, or any type of cold outreach. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so here's the exact system that you can use to add 10k to 20k per month to your coaching or your agency. So before I show you the entire system, here are the results been getting our clients. So here are just some of the results. So one of our clients got to $37,000 per month using our system, which is absolutely crazy. And we got to that level in, I guess, around 6 to 7 months, which is very, very nice, right? So that's very fast too. So the system works. And then another client got 45 warm leads with just 126 ad spend, and I think he went on to book like 25 or 30 meetings from these leads, which is amazing too. And then another client got 15 warm leads with just $77 ad spend, and 10 of them booked a call. And using the system, it's very, very easy to close deals too, like close calls. So I think he closed 4, 5, or 6, I'm not sure, from those 10 calls, which is amazing. You can't do that with cold outreach. You can never do that. All right, so now you know our system works. Let's jump into how the system works now. I'm literally going to give everything away and holding nothing back. I'll give all the sauce for you guys. Like, if you take what I say in this video and implement it, I guarantee you will make money, right? So let's just get right into it. All right, so the hybrid system is what I like to call it. So it uses a mix of inbound and outbound strategies to get new clients, which is why I called it the hybrid system, because it uses a mix of both these strategies, right? So we use both inbound and outbound to maximize the results. So the first step is optimization. It's super, super important. There are a lot of subtopics in optimization, which I will talk about now. So the first thing is niche refinement. So if you don't want to be stuck charging clients, $500 a month, and want to get high ticket clients who respect you and who are willing to pay, $1,500 to even $4,000, $5,000 every single month, you have to niche down. You can't be helping everyone. You have to niche down to a specific target audience and help them solve a specific problem. Most of you guys already know this by now, I guess, but to those who don't, I just wanted to add this one in. So of course this makes you seem like an expert to your target audience. So for here I give an example. So I help roofing businesses at 10k in revenue in 90 days. So the roofing business is your niche, right? If you say I help construction businesses at 10k in revenue in 90 days, you may not seem more like an expert like you do when you say especially roofing businesses. You seem like an expert and a person of authority to the roofing business owners. And also I help men get to 5k per month as a closer in 60 days, which is also men is your niche, right? So yeah, I hope you get the idea about choosing a niche. It's very, very important. So next is the offers. So having a good offer truly allows you to charge high ticket. And to be honest with you, people don't care if you use some fancy app for your coaching program or have some crazy features in your service or program. They only care about the benefits they're getting from it. So instead of saying, for example, I help real estate agents get leads with Facebook ads like every other agency, that sounds so boring, guys. No real estate agent is going to buy from you if you say that. So sell a transformation. Selling a desired result will make your offer better than other agencies and will allow you to charge higher. Now these are just some of the basics that I'm touching in to some of you guys who don't know. Most of you guys know some of this about optimization, but to the guys who may be new, I just wanted to add in. So example is I help. So this is basically a formula you can use to create your offer. So example is I help your niche get desired outcome that they'll be getting if they become your client. in a specific time frame. You can add that if you want or not, or money back, which is a risk reversal, which also helps. Alright, so an example of that is I help fitness influencers get to 20k per month in 90 days or money back, which is an amazing offer if you get a lot of attention to it, right? That is very important. Next is DM script. So the main goal of having a conversation in the DMs should be finding out their problems and offering a call as a solution to the problems. Never ever sell your service on the DMs. Always sell a call. So create a script around finding what the problem is and pitching a free call as a solution to the problem, right? Very, very important, guys. Next is profile optimization. So as they say, the first impression is the best impression. So you should have your profile optimized. Be clear with what you do. Have a CTA on your bio. So I've given my AJ account as an example right here. So it clearly states what I do, nothing else, right? And you can also add a CTA or like a lead magnet below. I'll tell you more about it later down the line. And next is personal branding, guys. So make sure you have content on your page. You could have your life stories in, your tips and tricks, and just provide as much value as you can to build your brand. Next is pricing. So if you follow everything I've said about optimization, you can easily charge high ticket. So figure out how much you're going to charge. I recommend a minimum of $1,000 per month. That is if you're just starting out, like you've got maybe one client or two clients before and you're just starting out, right? So next is the VSL/lead magnet build. So a VSL is basically a video sales setup, to those who don't know. So you sell people your service on just a video instead of a call. So it is important to have a VSL or a lead magnet, which is like free ebooks, free docs, just like this, free YouTube videos, etc. So this helps you bring new eyeballs into your business, and having a VSL makes closing clients very, very easy, like super easy, because they already know what you do and they know who you are, and they won't get on a call after seeing your VSL if they're not interested in what you do, right? So super easy to close this system. And also your sales process, you gotta dial in on that, have a good framework or script for your calls and all that stuff. All right, second is content. So you need to have 30 days of post and content filmed in maximum week or two. Make sure you film, you do batch filming, because if you film one reel a day for every day, you may burn out. So batch record your reels. That really helps. So this allows you to also focus more on the business, and posting 4 times a week is about enough. You could post every day if you want, which is great too. So you can post tips for your niche, lifestyle videos, and even post trends that are going on once in a while. So you need to have content, right? Guys, cold DMs don't work anymore. They don't work anymore. That's it. They're dead. Officially, they're dead. So if you want to have a long-term business, this is the way to go, guys. So post content, and as I said, post tips, lifestyle, and trending topics. So content will be reposted to other platforms too, and followers will be redirected to Instagram by adding CTS at the end of each video. And here's a bonus for you guys, because I love you guys. Here's a bonus, the 721 strategy. So to have a consistent flow of followers, I recommend you follow this strategy. So this is where per 10 posts, you post 7 educational videos, 2 lifestyle videos to connect with the audience, and 1 viral video using trending topics that's been going on. Right? This is a very healthy way of posting, and this also brings you a consistent flow of leads. So here's a bonus content strategy you can follow. Alright, then third is appointment setting. So once you have the content running and you're getting new eyeballs and engagement in your content, you'll need to reach out to new followers, because a follower is a new lead. People who engage in a comment, people who comment, people who like, you can reach out to them by yourself or have appointment setter in place. If you work with us, we'll play as a setter for you. We'll play as a trained setter for you. So that is your lead. That is who you have to reach out to. No cold DMs anymore. Got it? Alright, the fourth step is you get a follower, which is basically a lead. So once you get a lead, They will be, nurtured through the content you've been putting out. So they already know who you are, they know what you do, and they see you as an expert. So at this point, you or your setup will reach out to them. Don't try to be salesy, don't push them. Just have a conversation and give them tons of freebies at first, and give them value and find out what their problem is at first, then offer a call as a solution to the problems. Never be too salesy, guys. Okay, just try to have a normal conversation with your leads. Next step is the conversion. So now you have a call booked because you have put out good content, you have optimized your profile, and you know what the problems are. So selling them is like a walk in the park, to be honest with you guys. I'm not lying, it's super easy to sell. So because they already know who you are, they know what you do, and they know you can solve the problems. So on the call, you just see if they're a good fit and pitch your price. You don't even have to justify it, because they see you as a figure of authority and as an expert. So you just pitch your price, and if they can afford it, they buy, close them, boom, client got in. All right, super easy. Very nice strategy, right? Now let's go into the inbound strategy. So this is what makes this system super powerful. This is where you make the real money and the most of the money, right? Yes, organic content is good, but you can't completely rely on organic content to get leads. You have to run ads to get a pretty good amount of lead flow in, right? So in our inbound strategy, we run just a simple Instagram ad using a lead magnet, basically freebies like a free document or something like that, to get followers and inbound DMs, right? So we just and running ads isn't even that complex. We just boost a post on Instagram, that is it. So the leads that come in from the ad will get nurtured through our content. So now if you have ran inbound DM ads, so the basic difference between a follower ad and an inbound DM ad is the CT at the end of each video. If you say, go ahead and follow me, I'll send you this free document about XYZ, then they'll follow you. Or go ahead and DM me this particular word, and I'll send you this document about XYZ, then they'll DM you. That's it. No, that's the difference. So now if you ran inbound DM ads, they would have reached out to you at this point. You just have to build rapport, give value, and find out the problem, and offer a call as a solution to the problem. Now, if you ran a follower ad, then your setter will reach out to the follower, your setter or yourself. I recommend having a setter, which makes stuff a lot more easier. So your setter will reach out, have a conversation, same process, find out the problems, book a call, you close them, boom. So that's basically it, guys. That's the whole system. Very simple to implement and super powerful too, right? It takes a little bit time to build it up, because if you don't have any content right now posted up, which is what most agencies do, they don't have any content. They completely rely on cold outreach, which is absolutely dead. It doesn't work anymore, or at least it doesn't work like it used to. This is the new way of scaling, and this is the way to have a business in for the long term, right? And having content is very good. It just compounds over time, and cold outreach don't do that. They don't compound over time. So yeah, guys, basically that is the system. Remember, this system can print money if it's done right, and I've given everything to you. I've given everything. I've holding nothing back. And if you have any comments, feel free to go ahead and DM me down below, and I'll answer you, no problem. Alright, guys, before you go and do whatever you're going to do, just hear me out. I've given you a lot of stuff. Now it's time for me to ask. Alright, so if you're an online coach or an agency owner making at least 4K per month and want our help, my personal help, in adding an extra 10K to 20K per month to your business in 90 days or less, go ahead and book a free call by clicking the link in the description to see exactly how we can help you scale. Completely free, right? Completely free call. So we will literally automate all this for you, from creating the offer to getting the content put out to booking a call. Everything will be automated and done for you. You just have to get on a call and close them. Super easy stuff to do. And we can automate that too if you want later down the line when you scale to higher numbers by placing a closer, right? So if this is something you'd be interested in, go ahead and book a free call down below, and we'll talk about the exact game plan that you can use. So go ahead and book a call, and I'll talk to you soon.